In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deal with loans in Xero. If you've taken out a business loan and want to keep your books clean, the first thing you need in Xero is a dedicated liability account to track the loan principal. Setting this up correctly makes your reconciliation smoother and separates principal from interest, which will usually go to an expense account. Let's walk through it together, step by step. Start on your Xero dashboard and open the main menu. Click on Accounting. This is your gateway to all the tools you'll use to structure your financial data. If you don't see this option, you may need the right user permissions, so check with your account administrator. Next, choose Chart of Accounts. Think of the Chart of Accounts as the master list of buckets where your transactions live. Keeping this list organized ensures your reports are accurate and easy to read. Now, click Add Account. We're creating a brand new account specifically for the loan's principal balance, so you can post repayments against it and always know how much is outstanding. In the account type field, select Liability. Loans represent money your business owes, so they belong in liabilities. Depending on how long you'll take to repay the loan, you may categorize it as a current or non-current liability in your reports. But the key action here is selecting liability so Xero treats it correctly. Enter a code. Choose a short, unique number or alphanumeric code that fits your existing numbering pattern. Consistent codes make searching and reporting easier. If Xero flags that a code is already in use, tweak it slightly to keep it unique. Type a clear name. Use something recognizable at a glance, like business loan, term loan, or equipment finance principal. The goal is clarity so anyone coding transactions knows exactly where to post them. Add a description. Include helpful context, such as the purpose of the loan or high-level terms. This internal note can save time later when you or your accountant review transactions and balances. When you're happy with the details, click Save. Your new liability account is now ready to use. You'll see it available when you're coding bank transactions or posting journals, so you can allocate the principal portion of repayments here. Remember, interest should be coded to an interest expense account to keep your profit and loss accurate. And that's it. By creating a dedicated liability account, you've set the foundation for clean, transparent loan tracking in Xero. If you're unsure about naming, coding, or presentation in reports, check your organization's Chart of Accounts policy or ask your accountant for guidance.